the chicken. And hubby will eat this one. And me also, with rice, of course. Spinach.
Oko paprika prvu.
Sve
ja.
baba uču ja puno.
Eto. Meni je bitno da paprike oslobodimo.
A
Ostalo...
prvi gdje paprika imaš? A, okay. Hi guys, we are now here at the kitchen and we're gonna cook the spinach that I collected. But first off, we have to fry the chicken breast that I want to pair it with my spinach, because that's how the best thing that I can only cook with spinach with. It should be with cream and then with the fried chicken. So first off, when I cut chicken, I don't use the same board or chopping board. I use a different board for my meat, especially the chicken. I want to avoid contaminating anything. So I have my chicken breast, this one. So let's cut it off and season it with the season here in Bosnia, they call it vegeta. So we'll just season it this time with this one, the chicken, so it will be tasty. And we'll start doing it now. I have my pan there, it's already heating up, and then we will just fry the chicken. Cut it in 3 pieces. This one, this one part, then another part. Cut it in 3 pieces, and then we'll season it like so. Just gonna wash my hand. We'll season it with this one. That's the vegeta, by the way. It's a simple seasoning. This is the Bosnian famous seasoning, so I'm just using it like so, and then we'll fry it. I have my pan here and it's already hot. I'm gonna put the sunflower oil. That's what they have here. They don't have corn oil here in Bosnia. They have sunflower oil, like so. Oh, before that, I want to put tissues all over the place so that it's easy for me to clean later, because they're gonna be splashing all over the place. So I want to put tissue paper, so I'll just rub it and I'm good to go, like that. I think the oil is heat up. Just have to put our meat. There's 3 of them. And that's it. While it's frying up there, I'm gonna spin my spinach so there will be no water. I have to dry them out because I don't want them, when I saute them, I don't want them to be watery, so it's best that they are dried out. This spinner is very useful. It's not only for salad but for anything that you want to dry out. Okay, they are dry. And then we will saute them in onion and garlic, and that's it. Season them in salt and pepper, and that's it. See how much water we have. Okay, flip our chicken. It looks so good. Alright, I will only use half of the onion. This one, just a simple stir fry. Quick, easy stir fry. This is gonna be my husband's lunch because he's gonna be coming soon. So this, I love my spinach when it's not overly cooked. I just want it to be green, like dark green. So this is just a simple garlic and onion, and that's it. We stir fry our spinach. This time I'm gonna use butter, not the oil. So I'm just gonna use that. It's gonna be more tasty. We just have our butter melt. So it's melting already. I can smell the butter. Oh my god. And then we have to put our onion. Just the onion. And my chicken is almost done. Let's check it. Yes, it's done. I have put enough with it. Because I'm gonna use the grit of all of this meat to cook my cream. And I'll put my garlic in. It's so hard with one hand. And then we're gonna put our spinach. Okay, I'm gonna put salt and pepper. So pepper and salt. I have salt and pepper already. 30 more seconds and that's it. They're good to go, and then we'll just let it rest. There. I want my spinach to be crispy and super green. Nice and green. Like that. Okay, for the cream, I'm just gonna use this pan where I fry my chicken because it has lots of flavor. And we're just gonna fry 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, like there, like so. And I'm just gonna cook it. Okay, that's the cornstarch. And then when it's cooked, you just have to put water. There. And the sauce. And add more water. If it's too thick, add more water. And then you have to season it out with salt and pepper also. All your food and layers of everything, it needs to be seasoned with salt and pepper. I will season my breast, I season my spinach, and now I season also my cream. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put back my chicken. Another option of this sauce is if you have button mushroom, you can really add it. It makes another dimension to your sauce. It's tasty and creamy and crunchy. And so anyways, I'm gonna put my chicken breast back in to let it soak the flavor. And of course, this one, do not forget the juices of the chicken. Let it soak for at least a minute, and that's it. You turn off the heat, and then we'll plate out the food. Okay, I'd like to eat this with rice, but hubby loves to eat it with bread. Okay, we're gonna do the plating. So we're gonna start off with the, how you call this one? The spinach to this one. We just want to spread the spinach. My hands are clean, don't worry. Then I have to put on top the chicken, this one, and then I'll put the sauce. Okay, let's put the sauce in, and so, okay, as a garnish or decoration or something. Just gonna put it on top so it will look good. There you go. And just collect it, and then I'll just sprinkle it on top of the plate. So that's it. This is my spinach and chicken. Okay, that's how it looks, guys. My spinach with chicken in cream. Okay, not mushroom cream because I don't have the mushroom cream. So this is it. And this is it, guys. This is the finished product, and I'm gonna plate some of the two pieces. I'm gonna plate it also, but this is the product, and this is it. This is the simple joy of me being a wife and a gardener. And I really love to cook. Whatever I planted, I want to cook it also, and it should be fresh from the garden. And these vegetables are really organic. We're not putting anything to it other than the manures of the animals and some other organic fertilizers. And so this is it, guys. Oh, this. So this is it.
It's tasty, you should try it.
Dada, was the one cooking this one. Don't tell me it's tasty. He's telling me it's tasty, when in fact I am the one cooking it. Dada. So you like it, Dada? Tell them, Dada, you like it.
You like it? To who? Go away.
Hey, I want to say hi.
I say hi to them.
Do you like my roses over here? There.
It cannot be eaten without rice, this one.
Yeah.
And
He has two slices and I have one slice.
And do you like my cake, guys?
Layla, it's not about that.
Hey! They need to like her cake for us. No more YouTube.
Honey, that's it now.
Did you like it?
Oh my God, so tasty.
And also Schnella.
Did you try?
This is our last spinach and that's it. I'm gonna try to make like this with pak choy.
Butterfly.
And then with mushroom. Maybe cream of mushroom I'm gonna use.
Let me put this back now.
It's really good. Like, good.
Not fun, my.
Come here, I will love you long time. Come.
And then the spinach.
Don't eat your fingers. Come here.
This is so nice. Good.
Perfect food for lunch.
And I love my food, Mama. Go get it food.
Stella is here. Say bye-bye, Stella.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Come here, Layla. Neng, go away. See you soon. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Dobra, Layla.